The most expensive place in Dar es Salaam. The champion, the government. Yeah. Sobu, sobu. Hey, hey. Three goes out for the chairman. Bosa, Bosa, Bosa. Beautiful couple over here. Yeah. Long life.
To realize love is not something so difficult. Maybe you didn't meet somebody that's made for you. Yeah, so I think she's my friend. Sometimes we fight, sometimes we laugh. But at the end of the day we meet each other. We miss mimi sana, nampenda sana. Na amenirahisishia sana kwenye kazi yangu kwa sababu hichi kipindi nimeandika nyimbo nyingi sana za furaha. Mimi maisha yangu naimba. Kama unanijua nikiwa naumia naimba. When I met you, it's so easy for my work because I always sing my life. If I'm sad, I sing some songs. If I'm happy, I sing happy songs. So this time, all my love songs were easy because of you. Because I'm happy. So, naimba nyimbo hii kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa. Manager ameniruhusu. Ni mpya kabisa ndo leo mnaisikia watu wote. Hajatoka bado. Namuimbia kwa mara ya kwanza nyimbo.
Aww, he loves. You can see how this guy has been professing and professing and professing all for Priscilla. Nah, love is good though. Like, and love is patient and patience is love. So this girl has just, you know, just like her friend Eniolua penned down a lovely message to her in her on her wedding with Juma Jux, that she actually was smiling to him in Olu and told Eniolua, I think I found him. And truly, she has found the guy, because when I was seeing this video, the part that got me emotional is after when the mother prayed for her. You know, usually when you get married, your parents would pray over you. Then the guy started singing for her. Then after singing for her, at some point in the middle of the song, because he said he's dedicating it to her, the guy just, you know, started crying. When a guy loves you at that point where he was trying to be expressive and starts crying, it means there is something special about you. That doesn't mean, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that there are no bad guys there, but looking at them when he was singing to her and then he started crying, I kind of feel the genuine love he has for this girl. Do you understand? It also made Priscilla cry, and even Iyabo joined together. They hugged him out. I can imagine maybe there are things that were moving around during their relationship or courtship. So many obstacles. You can see the dragons during those periods he met Priscilla. So they were there for him. So I feel like it is a blessed marriage and I wish them the best. So let's talk about Burna Boy and Chloe Belly. Recently, they've started showing off the kissing thing that I just whispered to you people the other day that I noticed. So it means that these guys are coming out open to tell us they are into something. Clearly, because that's what I'm saying. Because lately, the way they are sharing kiss here and there is just to show us, I beg you, we are now into something. Because tell me why she's now openly kissing the guy. Because I can remember that her interview when she was like, we should watch this case and all of that. So it means that now they are now a thing. Well, congratulations to them. But you know, guys, what do you actually think? It may end, maybe his final bust up. We never can tell. So me, I'm not a jealous person. I wish them well and I hope it lasts as well. So my guys, if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, kindly click on that subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. But if you're an old subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.